everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm doing a video on Scented Slime by Amy. I reviewed her slimes last year, I think I can't remember when I did it, maybe October I'm guessing. I'm not really sure, but this is my second time buying her slimes. But I did get a lot of her new ones. Some of them are, old ones I haven't had yet. But anyways, we'll go ahead and get started. I have quite a few slimes to review for you guys, so I'll go ahead and start right now. And I'm gonna start off with this one right here. So yeah, I'll go ahead and review that for you right now. Up first we have is vanilla lavender, sorry. This is a dough slime. So this slime would be good for like maybe just like, relaxing, things like that. Also, I love lavender. I think lavender is probably one of my favorite scents of all time. So I was going to try and get this one, but I'll go ahead and review it for you guys right now. So yeah. This slime is really nice and soft. It has a really nice texture. It smells like the Dove, the lavender body wash I use. I don't know if you guys use that or not, but if you guys don't, it's a really good scented body wash. So if you want to smell like lavender, then I recommend getting that one. Anyways, this slime's really soft. It is a bit like more sturdy on the sturdy side. So if you stretch it, but you gotta stretch it slower. But once I just stretch it out, get it like going, I guess. I don't really know, but anyways. Really nice slime. It's really good for just like playing around the house. Like you don't worry about it. Like if it drops, you don't worry about it. Like sticking to the floor, having used like some kind of like crazy cleaner product of some sort to get it off. But yeah, this is really nice, and I recommend it if you like lavender. So yeah, I'll move on to the next one. So yeah, up next is Sour Granny Bear slime. So this is I think it might be. I'm not sure what texture it is. It looks like to me just a regular clay slime with some. It has like 3 granny bear. The clay pieces, sorry. I'll just show you what off the lid. So it comes with a blue one, a pink one, and a green one. It also has like some charms in it and like some sprinkles. So I'll go ahead and I will record myself but mixing this in. So yeah. Unfortunately, I forgot to record me actually mixing this slime together. But once it is mixed, it turns into this really nice light blue texture. It starts off as like a regular. I'm not really sure. I think it's kind of like a sizzly clay slime. I'm not really sure what texture it is, but it feels really good. Once the clay mixes, though, it turns into this really nice, soft, stretchy clay texture. It's really nice to play with. It smells like Sour Patch Kids. It smells delicious. So if you like the sense of like sour things, like Sour Patch Kids or other sour candies, things like that, then you probably will like this slime a lot. It's very pretty, very nice to play with. The gummy bears are very fun to mix in. Again, I apologize for not recording that part. I kind of forgot to turn the camera on. But yeah, but overall this slime was really nice and I really like it. So now I'm gonna move on to the next slime. So yeah. Up next we have is Cotton Candy Dream Mallow, and I actually don't really like cotton candy that much, but I got a slime because I really like the colors of it. That's really pretty colors, like pink, blue, and white. So I thought we wanted to mix the slime together. So yeah, I'm gonna deliver you right now. This one is green. No, I mean I like it, but it's not my favorite slime of all time because, sorry, it's a bit wet on the wet side, which I'm not really a fan of. Also, it's kind of a sticky residue. Like it's not sticky itself, but it's like it looks like sticky residue on your hands, which I'm not really a big fan of. And also, it's just, I mean, it's a good slime, but also the sprinkles I got it. Yeah, I don't know, you guys realized that, you know, when I was like recording myself like mixing it together, it did stick to my hands quite a bit, which was a bit annoying. So yeah, but other than that, it's pretty good. I really like it, but not my favorite slime of all times. But I still really like it, and it turns into this really nice purple color. It looks a bit like the lavender one once it mixes, because it's like it's a blue and pink slime, so it's gonna make purple. So yeah, but anyways, on to the next slime. So yeah. Up next is Waffletopia. This is a pink, I believe this is another bar slime again, or a clay slime with a pink, purple, yellow, basically it's rainbow waffle piece with a whipped cream and rainbow charm. So I'll go ahead and reveal some for you guys right now. So yeah. Slime right here, this slime, basically it's like a pinkish purple color. It's very similar to the cotton candy one I just reviewed, but just a different theme, I guess you can say. But it's really nice to play with. These slimes are like really good for like, you know, just like playing around with. Like you don't worry about, you know, like sticking to your hands, having to worry about how to clean it up like I mentioned earlier. Anyway, here's a charm. Like, the charm is like this like rainbow charm. Looks really nice. I really like it. So yeah, well, it sounds really nice. And I'm not really sure what it's supposed to smell like. I'm guessing it's supposed to be like waffles, but I'm not really sure. But it smells really good. Anyways, on to the next slime. I have 2 more slimes left to review. Next, we have cookies and cream slime. Again, I'm pretty sure this is another clay base slime with some clay pieces and a clear slime in here. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and review this slime for you right now. So yeah. So this slime smells very similar to the Chip Witch theme slime I reviewed from Parakeet Slimes last month. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's on my page if you guys are interested in watching it. But yeah, this slime's really soft. It is more stretchy and softer than the other ones I reviewed recently. Again, the clay pieces did have like that sticky residue. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it was a different clay they're using, or maybe the container they're putting it in, or anything like that. But the sprinkles did stick to your hands again, which was a bit annoying. But yeah, but it's really not that big of a deal. But anyway, here's some right here. It turns into this I don't know what color this is, but it's like a ugly purpley gray color. I don't really know, but anyways, on to the very last slime. So yeah, next is Royal Blue Jelly. This kind of reminds me of that one episode of SpongeBob where they had the blue jelly. Actually, maybe it's purple. I can't remember, but it was that one. I don't know what you guys know what I'm talking about, but there's one episode of SpongeBob where they were showing off this blue jelly, I guess you can say. I don't know, it was supposed to be really cool and whatnot. So this time reminds me of that. Anyways, this is a jelly slime this time with a clay looking, well, it's clay. This is a clay blue honeycomb thing. Comes with a little honeycomb charm and like these sprinkles as well. For some reason it comes in a plastic bag. So yeah, but anyway, I'll go ahead and do some video right now. So yeah. So this size probably my favorite slime in today's video. It has a great texture. It's a jelly slime, which I really like because it's a different texture, which is really nice. This slime's also gorgeous to look at. Like the jelly texture base was like so pretty. I loved it so much. Like I almost didn't want to mix the clay because it was that pretty, but I did mix it in for you guys. Anyways, here's the charm. This slime does stick to it, so be aware of that. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro of the video for you guys right now. So yeah. So anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. So I like slimes a lot. I think the slimes were like really nice. I really enjoyed playing with them. The only thing I will say though is that I do wish they used more like variety textures, but all of them, or most of them I should say, being like clay textures, which is fine. I mean, they're great textures, but I wish they had like maybe an icy slime, maybe cloud slimes, glossy slimes, things like that, and not just clay pieces, because you know it's the same texture, just different themes. You know, while it's great, I want, you know, a variety of things too, you know what I'm saying? But overall, the slime's really good. I really liked it. Yeah, I recommend our shop. I'll go ahead and link her shop in the description in case you guys can go check her out. Also, they're having a coupon code, so you can get some money off if you guys purchase from her. Also, this video is not sponsored by any means. I'm just making sure I let you guys know that, so you guys know you guys want to purchase from them. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching today's video. If you guys like to hit like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, bye.